Alright, today I'll show you how to save your project as a PDF file so you can later on work on the project, or maybe you want to give it to a colleague and you want him to continue the work. Today I'll show you how to save it as a PDF. So in order to save something, a file, a photo or a project as a PDF in Photoshop, you can do it in two ways. As you can see, I have here many layers and I have also this text which I can edit. I can go to File, then Save As, and now I can give it a name, Test Project, and here at Save As type, let's press on it, let's select Photoshop PDF. I will save it on desktop, save it where you want. I will press on Save. Alright, I can mark Don't Show It again and press on OK. Now this menu will pop up. You can copy my settings. From here I will walk you through everything which I have here. Once you're done, I will press on Save PDF. Again, I will mark Don't Show It again and yes, continue. Now if I will go on desktop, I can see my project right here. Now what I want to do, let's close Photoshop totally and let's open this one, right click on it, open with and Photoshop, and let's see if we can work on it, if we can re-edit the picture. I have every layer here on the right and I can edit the text as I want. Now I'll show you how to do the same thing but using a shortcut which will save you a lot of time. If you press Shift, Ctrl and S, this is the shortcut to get into the same thing. Now we can save the project. Let's name it just Test. Select desktop and press on Save. Again, save PDF. Let's close Photoshop totally, and this is the other PDF which I saved. Let's do the same thing, right click, open with Photoshop, and now this is the second PDF which I saved, and this is how to create a PDF, how to save a PDF in Photoshop. That being said, I really hope this tutorial helped you out. Thank you a lot for watching and bye bye.